Hi there, students. Glitzy, an adjective. Glitz, an uncountable noun. Okay, if you describe something as glitzy, you're saying it's ostentatious, it's showy, it looks really attractive, it looks really exciting, but there's no real substance to it. It's flashy, it's garish and flamboyant, and a bit tawdry as well. Tasteless, yeah, ritzy perhaps. Okay, so yeah, he celebrated his party at a glitzy nightclub. He celebrated his birthday party. Most things associated with Hollywood are very glitzy, the glitz of Beverly Hills. Okay, so if you say something, glitz is saying that something is exciting, it's attractive, but in a very showy way, and it has no substance to it. Yeah, it's just glitter and shine, but and ostentatiousness. The house was incredibly glitzy. When they had the Academy Awards or the Oscars, yeah, it's a very glitzy affair with lots of glitter and shine and beautiful dresses and beautiful people and glitterati. Yeah, the glitterati are part of that glitz. Notice as well, you can have a phrasal verb to glitz up, to make something showier, to make it seem more interesting, but making it shinier and making it brighter. Okay? And this is the idea of glitz. To make something flashy, it looks extravagant. It's glittery and ostentatious. Ooh, look at that. I think hype is where you put lots of glitz on something. You make it look flashy and extravagant and showy, but it's in the end it's just ostentatious. It's bright and superficial. It's incredibly showy. So the show is all right, but you need to get somebody famous to glitz it up, to make it shinier. Okay, but glitz is superficial. Yeah, it's glitz is the quality of being exciting and attractive, but with no real substance. I get the feeling that a lot of American politics is full of glitz, yeah, shiny, showy things, and I think that glitz actually hides the real the real message, what they're really trying to say. Okay, glitz. Something that's glitzy is very shiny. You have a premiere for a film where lots of stars come. That's glitzy. Yeah. Everybody was dressed in shiny things. In a girl in a sequined skirt. Yeah. This is making something look glitzy, making it look attractive and shiny, but without any real substance to it. Glitz, I think, it talks very often about marketing. Yeah, to give something an ostentatious, showy quality. When if there's a film, normally they have a trailer, and the trailer needs to be very glitzy, flashy, ostentatious. Yeah, I think if something's glitzy or glitz, it's gaudy as well. It's glittery, it's shiny, but it's very brash, tawdry. Yeah, it's loud and flashy as well. It looks magnificent, but that glitz doesn't really have any substance. So glitzy, brilliantly showy, something full of shine. Let's see. Let's see. Formality, glitzy. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use semi-formal in a conversation, semi-formal writing, but not in something very formal. And then as to origin, it comes from German, glitzen to glint. And it's related, for example, to Old Norse, glittra, to glitter. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Glitz Glitzy.